Hello everyone and welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so you could be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will show you how to make icicle ornaments for a Christmas tree or gifting. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For today's material, you will need Mod Podge, a paintbrush, artificial snow, a Christmas ornament, and white paint. We're squeezing a small amount of white paint into the ornament, and we're going to lightly shake it until it's evenly coated. This tutorial is self-explanatory. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you on our next video. Bye.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree,